The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining overall health by filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, regulating blood pressure, and balancing electrolytes. When the kidneys are impaired, these vital functions are compromised, leading to a range of health issues. In this video, we embark on a journey to explore the 6 best drinks that act as nourishing elixirs for our kidneys. From herbal infusions to nutrient-packed juices, each beverage is carefully selected for its potential to boost kidney function and contribute to an overall healthy lifestyle. So, let's raise a glass to renal well-being and uncover the secrets of these rejuvenating drinks that can make a significant difference in supporting our hardworking kidneys. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea, a time-honored beverage originating from ancient China, has garnered widespread acclaim for its myriad health benefits. Beyond its well-documented antioxidant properties and contributions to heart health, recent research suggests that green tea may also play a pivotal role in supporting kidney health. Central to green tea's health benefits is its rich antioxidant content, particularly polyphenols known as catechins. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, the most potent catechin in green tea, has been studied extensively for its ability to combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, is implicated in various chronic diseases, including kidney dysfunction. Chronic inflammation is a common denominator in many kidney diseases. Green tea's anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its catechins, may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. By modulating inflammatory pathways, green tea could potentially slow the progression of kidney diseases. Green tea has mild diuretic properties, promoting the elimination of excess fluids and waste through urine. While excessive diuresis may lead to dehydration, moderate consumption of green tea can support the kidneys in efficiently flushing out toxins without compromising overall hydration. Number 2. Black coffee. Coffee is one of the world's most beloved beverages, enjoyed by millions for its rich flavor and stimulating effects. Black coffee is a potent source of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. The kidneys, being highly vascular organs, are particularly susceptible to oxidative stress. Antioxidants present in black coffee, such as chlorogenic acid, may help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage, promoting overall kidney health. Caffeine, a natural stimulant found in coffee, has been shown to enhance blood circulation. Improved blood flow is essential for the kidney's filtration process, ensuring that waste products are efficiently removed from the body. By supporting optimal blood circulation, black coffee may indirectly contribute to maintaining healthy kidney function. Type 2 diabetes is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Black coffee consumption has been associated with a decreased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. By helping to regulate blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, black coffee may contribute to diabetes prevention and, consequently, reduce the risk of kidney complications associated with the disease. The liver and kidneys work together to detoxify the body. Black coffee has been linked to liver health benefits, including protection against liver diseases. A healthy liver positively influences overall kidney function, as a well-functioning liver aids in the elimination of toxins from the body. While black coffee may offer several potential benefits for kidney health, it's crucial to emphasize moderation. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to dehydration, which is detrimental to kidney function. Number 3. Lemon juice. The body's pH balance is essential for overall health, and lemons, despite their acidic nature, have an alkalizing effect once metabolized. Maintaining a slightly alkaline environment in the body is believed to support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Lemon juice can contribute to this alkalizing effect, promoting a more favorable internal environment for optimal kidney health. Lemon juice is a potent source of citrate, a compound that plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Citrate binds with calcium in the urine, reducing the likelihood of crystal formation. By increasing urinary citrate levels, lemon juice may help inhibit the growth of certain types of kidney stones, providing a natural defense against this painful condition. Proper hydration is fundamental to kidney health, as it helps flush toxins and waste products from the body. Lemon juice, when added to water, can enhance the flavor, encouraging increased fluid consumption. The more well-hydrated your body is, the more efficiently your kidneys can perform their vital functions, contributing to a healthier urinary system. While directly benefiting the kidneys, lemon juice can also support heart health. The antioxidants in lemons may contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A healthy heart ensures proper blood flow, supporting the kidney's ability to filter blood and maintain optimal function. Start your day with a glass of warm water infused with freshly squeezed lemon juice. This simple ritual can kickstart your metabolism, promote hydration, and provide a dose of kidney-friendly citrate. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Packed with essential nutrients and unique compounds, beetroot juice offers a range of advantages, making it a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. The natural detoxifying properties of beetroot juice contribute to the elimination of waste products from the body, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Additionally, beetroot juice is hydrating, supporting overall kidney function by ensuring adequate fluid intake. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health as it helps in the filtration of toxins and waste materials. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital for kidney health, and beetroot juice has demonstrated potential in this regard. The nitrates found in beets can be converted into nitric oxide in the body, promoting vasodilation and improving blood flow. This natural mechanism may help regulate blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension-related kidney damage. Beetroot juice contains betaine, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. By mitigating inflammation, beetroot juice may assist in preserving kidney function and preventing the development or progression of kidney diseases. Prepare fresh beetroot juice by blending or juicing raw beets. Combine it with other kidney-friendly ingredients like cucumber, carrots, or a touch of lemon for added flavor. Number 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice, often lauded for its tart flavor and vibrant red hue, has gained recognition not only for its delicious taste but also for its potential health benefits. One area where cranberry juice shines is in promoting kidney health. Cranberry juice is perhaps most renowned for its ability to prevent and alleviate urinary tract infections. The proanthocyanidins found in cranberries may inhibit the adhesion of bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, to the urinary tract lining, reducing the risk of infection. By preventing the colonization of bacteria, cranberry juice may contribute to the overall health of the urinary system, which is closely connected to kidney function. Cranberry juice is a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. A healthy immune system is crucial for preventing infections that could potentially affect the kidneys. Additionally, vitamin C may contribute to the overall well-being of the urinary tract. Kidney health is closely linked to cardiovascular health. Cranberry juice has been associated with cardiovascular benefits, including improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system indirectly supports kidney function by ensuring optimal blood flow to these vital organs. However, it's essential to choose a cranberry juice that is low in added sugars to avoid potential negative impacts on health. Number 6. Carrot juice. Carrot juice, a vibrant and refreshing beverage, has long been celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Among its many advantages, carrot juice stands out as a kidney-friendly option that supports overall renal health. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, This golden elixir offers a natural and delicious way to promote kidney function and prevent certain renal issues. Carrots are renowned for their high beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can negatively impact kidney health. Carrot juice, with its high water content, contributes to hydration while providing a tasty alternative to plain water. Adequate hydration also helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. The potassium content in carrots plays a role in maintaining blood pressure levels. Carrot juice, when part of a balanced diet, can contribute to the regulation of blood pressure, reducing the strain on the kidneys and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Carrots contain compounds that support liver function, aiding in the detoxification process. A healthy liver is essential for overall kidney health, as it helps eliminate waste and toxins from the body. By supporting liver function, carrot juice indirectly benefits the kidneys.